Okay, so let's see. Let's do this pin or bolt. Let's start the cylinder. Something like this. Match face and extrude a bit and taper. That should be good. Let's do a cut with the box. Select this object and cut this one. And let's keep the object. Now we can match this face. And we can move this to the center. Add a line here. And let's move this like that. Maybe move this a little bit. And now we can mirror this by this face. And Boolean union. And we can rotate this from the center a bit. Like that. Looks good. And on the other side, we can just mirror this. Okay. Delete these faces. And make this a little bit smaller. Duplicate. Delete this one. I mean, we can keep it. We just need to make this smaller. Something like that. And now a little bit smaller. and move it like that, and just subtract and keep. Now I have a holder. And we can make a hole here as well. Just duplicate this one, select this one, isolate, move this in. We can delete that face and subtract. And move this face in. Yep, that's good. I think we can go extrude this like that. And here as well we can make a cut, duplicate, subtract, and delete these faces. You can move this in, this in. Let's make these pins as well. Duplicate, select these edges, duplicate, and extrude. Move a bit inward. Match face. And we can do a little bevel. And let's mirror. Yeah, that looks okay. Let's hide a bit this part. See exactly. Okay, so let's join these together. Match face and boolean together. And this as well. Match face and boolean together. Let's see on the references. Let's duplicate this and move it around here. This as well. Duplicate. And move to the center. Now let's make this shape. This should be look something like let's do one line there. One here, one here, one here. Something like that. Need to move this a little bit. Like that. And let's do a tangent circle. Something like this. And trim the excess. And join this together. And extrude. Can delete this now. Match face here and move it something like that. Okay, let's do a cylinder. That is good. Move it like that. Cut and keep. Now we can move that like that, match by matching face. And let's do an offset, something like this. And now just extrude this one, something like that, and taper it. But this is when you taper, I don't know why it doesn't look like a perfect circle. So instead of doing that, let's just delete this face with Shift Delete, make a copy of this, move it in, and just scale it down. Something like that. And you can see now the circle is straight and round, I mean. And now we can just loft this with G0. Join. And cap. I think we can make it like that. Okay, this is good. Let's fillet some of the edges. Okay, that piece is done. Now we can do the selector. Let's do cylinder. No, cylinder. like that. Match face to the main body. I think something like this should be fine. And let's do a box. It's match face, and union. Let's fillet this. You can do it like that, or just this one doesn't have the make full. Oh yes, and we can, if you have the latest version of Plasticity, you can just click on full and it will create a perfect round. Without this one, you can try to go like that. It still looks okay. But if you have this option, go for it. And I think we can fillet this as well. And now we can extrude this face and taper it like that. It's a bit too much. Something like this. That looks okay. Let's create a little shape here. From here to here, and from here to here. Maybe this is too long, just move it a bit like that. And now we can create a line between these 2 points by lofting and G0. I have on Shift S to subdivide the line, select the point and make it like this. And now we can connect this as well, G0. And extrude, match face. I can delete those. And Boolean. we can chamfer fillet that edge. Okay. And this as well. And this one. And now let's make a cylinder. Rotate like that. And like this. And let's do a cut here. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Yep. Let's duplicate this one. Isolate and make this smaller. And this one in the other direction, because we don't want a full cut. And now just boolean this and keep the tools. Let's see through. And now we can just push this like that, and this one. And make a little chamfer. And this one as well. It's a little big. Tiny one. That looks good.